flour, a little garlic powder, salt and pepper. We really want to make a flavorful batter because cauliflower itself doesn't have a ton of flavor. So we're gonna make sure that everything that goes on the cauliflower, even the batter, is really flavorful. We're putting some Frank's hot sauce directly in the batter, a little bit of Worcestershire, and some milk. The buffalo sauce went under the broiler and we just let it get some of these like crispy spots. Let that sauce caramelize, let the sugars in the sauce caramelize just a little bit, and that's gonna give us some of those like smoky bits so that it has more of a wing taste. Oh, yes. It's so good. It's so incredibly hot.
Do not eat that yet. You're gonna die.
No.
Good.
That wet batter makes like a real coating. So there's really a lot of flavor here. And the cauliflower is just at the heart of it, you know? There's a lot of cauliflower wings out there. These are the best ones, I'm just saying. Fun fact, I'm from Buffalo. Another fun fact, they're gonna win the Super Bowl.